2014 Subaru Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, one owner, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player, trip computer, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, cloth upholstery, front reading lamps. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.